thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream.
Travel back down that road, will you come back? No one knows. I realize it was only just a dream.
I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. Number one spot, now you found your own replacement. I swear now that I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. Now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. I should've put it down, should've got that ring, 'cause I can still feel it in the air. See your pretty face, run my fingers through your hair. My lover, my life, my baby, my wife. You left me, I'm tied, 'cause I know. You gotta listen to your heart speak. Rhythm is your heart beat. Music makes the heart sing. What does it tell you? Gotta listen to your heart speak. Rhythm is your heart beat. Music makes the heart sing. What does it tell you? It says dance if you wanna dance. It says sing if you wanna sing. If you're an artist, paint the picture of your feelings inside. You never know if you just don't even try. Music's my life.
It's everything I ever needed. When I'm feeling stressed and I feel so defeated. When life finally catches up to me, hard to beat it. Feeling blind to my dreams, so hard to see it. But you don't let this moment pass you. Your lyrics are the note to the page. Add to the fact that you don't have to be afraid to be whoever you are. Life will not mislead you, 'cause you can take it where you need to go. You could be a star live on the radio. You could be whatever you want, let it go. Just let the music take over your heart, let it show. Just paint the picture how you see it. Draw whatever you can, let your world see it. Do whatever you can, let yourself be it. This is music and I need you to feel it.
Listen to your heart speak. Rhythm is your heart beat. Music makes the heart sing. What does it tell you? Gotta listen to your heart speak. Rhythm is your heart beat. Music makes the heart sing. What does it tell you? It says